Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you install a drain hose on your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. The appliance should also be pulled away from the wall or cabinet. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. If your ice machine does not have a remote drain pump, the drain hose should be attached to the drain port of the ice bin. Use the provided screw clamp to secure. If your appliance does have a remote drain pump, attach the drain hose to the pump's drain port and secure it with the clamp. Reinstall the access panel, making sure the drain hose is accessible through the notch in the panel. Follow local codes and ordinances when connecting the outlet end of the drain hose to a drain. Avoid connecting the hose to a closed pipe system to keep drain water from backing up into the ice machine. The drain hose must terminate at an open site drain with a maximum rise of 10 feet and a maximum run of 100 feet. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply. With the installation complete, move the appliance back against the wall or into the cabinet space, and the ice machine should be ready for use.